The One UI 7.0 beta program will be open to both developers and regular users, as initially anticipated. However, some Samsung fans expressed concern when, after the first official teaser at the Samsung Developer Conference SDC24 last week, the company only confirmed the beta for developers. However, that's not the case. A moderator on Samsung US community forums has confirmed that the public will indeed have access to the One UI 7.0 beta program. While this news isn't surprising, it should help alleviate any lingering concerns among fans. Unfortunately, the One UI 7.0 beta testing might not start anytime soon for either developers or regular users. When we asked Samsung for more information, they only mentioned that they would share further details later this year. The delay is likely because Samsung doesn't plan to release the stable version of the new software for current devices until after the Galaxy S25 series is launched, which is expected early next year. The One UI 7.0 beta program is already 2 months behind compared to the rollout of the One UI 6.0 and 5.0 betas. However, Samsung has a valid reason for the delay. One UI 7.0 is introducing a huge redesign, possibly the biggest overhaul since the original release of One UI. This makes public beta testing for the upcoming One UI version especially crucial. User feedback is valuable, even for smaller updates, so it would be unwise for Samsung to skip public beta testing for what is likely the biggest update to One UI in years. Samsung has ambitious plans for One UI in the coming years. Along with a significant redesign for phones and tablets, the company aims to create a cohesive software experience across all its product lines under the One UI brand. This unification will help streamline how users interact with their devices, ensuring a consistent look and feel across smartphones, tablets, wearables, and other Samsung products. Whether you buy a Samsung smartphone, smartwatch, TV, or any of its numerous smart home appliances, you can expect a seamless and cohesive user experience. Additionally, Samsung is focusing on integrating artificial intelligence into this experience, enhancing how users interact with their devices and making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. What's your thought on this? Let me know in the comments section.